Are you feeling overwhelmed, a little dismayed when it comes to buying a new home? Well, join the club. It's overwhelming out there, there's no doubt about it. People are wondering, how can I do this? How can I get in the market? Well, there's 2 days to buy a property. One was yesterday and one's today. Behind me is 1331 Alberni and 1367 Alberni. So these two buildings were completed around 1997. Now in a studio at 400 square feet, you could buy one of those for, no lie, $79,000. What's the price today? One just sold for $490,000. And I know a lot of people are thinking, I wish I had got in, I wish I had got in, prices will never go up. But you look at the graphs, it's always been going up 5% every year on the average. So to get into a place, you need to get into something small that you can afford and hold it for as long as you can. In our team and our business, we encourage people to hold on to those properties forever and accumulate. If you're looking to try to get into the market and are overwhelmed about how to do that, our team is able to help you. We have mortgage consultants, we have financial consultants. They can help and guide you and put in a plan in place that can maybe help you buy a place. Maybe it's not today, maybe it's not in a month or two, but maybe in a year and a half. Maybe it's not right in downtown Vancouver, but somewhere else. You have to start somewhere. Just get in the market and hold on. And you'll see your investment increase in value over time, as you can see by these condos behind me. You've probably heard a lot of people talk about the market crashing. Well, I gotta tell you, yes, there has been some corrections along the way. But a friend of mine who was a financial consultant back in the year 2000 said there's gonna be a crash, there's gonna be a crash. I'm not buying. At that point in time, you could buy a house in North Vancouver for around $400,000. If you know what the average price for a house in North Vancouver is today, it's over $2 million. The crash didn't happen until the financial crisis happened in 2008. Just think if you had bought your house in 2000 for 400 grand, and look what it's worth today. When you base your assumptions and all these fears and things like that, you have to look at the long term and see what's happened. There's ups and downs all the way along. The moral of the story is just get in the market, and sooner is way better. So why would you want to buy a condo, a townhouse, or a house? Is it just to live in? Well, guess what? Most people aren't really on the saving plan for retirement, and they're hoping that their CPP, etc., will tide them through their elderly years. But your home is basically a savings account. You take that money, just say you bought this here for $80,000. In 25 years, which is basically right now, that would be paid off. But just think of the rent you would have made between then and now. Or even if you didn't rent and you were living there, it's now worth $500. You paid basically $80,000. You got $400,000 of equity there. Just say you want to take the equity out. You can invest it. You can put it into something else. You use it as a tool to help you along the road to accumulate and become wealthier and retire wealthy. So if you're looking for any kind of advice, some real good guidance on how to go about all this, please don't hesitate to give us a call, a text, or an email. We can have one of our team members contact you and go through your own particular situation and hopefully guide you to your own home ownership. So thanks very much for watching. Have yourself an awesome day.